Alright fellas, welcome back to Love Truck Garage. Let's see what we can get done today on this thing. Let's go. I've been working on the bed off and on for about a week. Got the bed rails all lined up and gonna tack them in place. Plenty of booger welds because that's how I roll. The driver's side of the bed slid right into place and everything lined up real well. The other side was the real challenge with all the Bondo. If you decide to bob the bed on your truck, just be sure you don't have any Bondo hiding in there. It's a pretty easy job with straight sheet metal. The only bad gap is that bump out, but I was able to hammer that into place with a little work. Here we are on the Bondo side. The bed rail was the easiest part to do. The gaps going down the bed side were all over the place. I am making progress though. I used a board to push in from the outside to close the gap. It worked pretty good. I got it all tacked into place. Then I used a spreader bar to push from the inside out. That seemed to work pretty good. And still the worst gap is right there on that body line on the bump out. I was able to hammer that down and make it look pretty good in the end. At first I was thinking I was going to have to pie cut that body line, but I hammered from the inside out and from the outside in and kind of met it in the middle. It worked out good. While I had it up on the driveway, I wanted to change out the skyjacker shackles on the back. All four of the shackle bolts were rusted badly, so I wound up cutting them all off. Luckily I had a couple sets of factory shackles in my secret stash. The bolts were pretty frustrating. I wound up turning the camera off. Alright guys, I got them shackles replaced. That was about 10 times harder than I expected it to be, but we got her done. Check it out. I think it's between 2 and 3 inches lower than it was before. It looks pretty good. Not bad. Let's do some more welding on that bed. I didn't really film the welding, I just kind of went at it, but here's kind of where we ended up. Lots of hammering and welding and grinding. Now this side was just a mess with all the Bondo and stuff, but it's about as good as I could get it. Making this side nice is a project of its own. The other side was a breeze compared to this one. Well, here's how it's going to sit for now. What do you think about that bob to bed? Leave a comment down below. Did I cut too much or not enough? I'm sure having a blast working on this little truck. Well, hey guys, that's going to do it for this video. We're going to put this truck away for a little while and we're going to work on the 4x4. We're going to get this thing out, see if we can't get it running and driving, and then hopefully we'll pass it on to somebody else and let it be their project. But anyway, I do appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.